Okay. Bila sa
Lala. Lala. Mary like this one. Yeah, she love this one.
Mary, eat with love.
Tapos ano yung special mo dyan?
Ito yung special ko dito.
No, yan yung special mo.
Ang laki.
Talaga.
Yan, tingnan mo. Yan. Ito na yun na yan.
Ay, hindi kasha to, mahal. That's too big.
Ay, pwede yan. Tapos ito na. See? Yan. Yan.
Ano, girl?
Maganda, bongga.
Tapos may name pa. Bawal
Uy,
kunin.
oo, mahal ang menu.
Mary each.
$10
If found, please return.
$10 yan. $10.
Yun ang mahal kasi walang discount. Diba?
Yeah.
Si Rory Monkey may discount.
See? Nandito
Oo,
na.
Yan.
kaysa nga naman
Kasi yan.
dito.
Tapos yan, ano na lang yan.
Yan.
Pag international mo yan.
Yan.
Yan daw.
Ito.
Maganda nga. O, marami pang space.
Tapos magbili ako ng ito kasi malaki. Sabi ko, I'm not supposed to, dahil extra, I just put it in there dahil,
May space.
may space.
Maganda, dapat mo kumuha. You win. Oo.
See?
Wala. Upload na to mamaya.
Dapat pala, oo nga.
Di ba?
Babalik. Kasi bukas ang close nila is 11 o'clock.
Ng gabi.
Meron pa.
Meron pa.
Oh, ay, yan. Yung ano.
See?
Oh, sa loob na yun, Mama Mary, kasi malaki.
Oh, see? Tingnan mo.
Oh, yan, kasya. Oh my God.
dito?
Yung cotton buds.
Yeah.
Oh, kasi napipit siya eh.
Actually, pwede mo nga siya lagay sa loob.
Yeah.
Oh, marami pa rin ng space.
Kabason.
Sa shopping lang, tapos
Kabazon outlet.
tingnan mo yung nasa corner.
Tingnan mo.
Oh, they're open.
Tapos ito, hindi ko naman ito kailangan anuhin. Extra lang ito.
Yeah.
Kasi just in
Friday,
case.
bukas sila ng 10 a.m. and they close at 8 p.m.
Oh, that's our shopping.
They close at 9 p.m.
9? Oh, we have time.
We have time.
After
Ito na
our
kasi.
hike.
Ito na yung mga
Because you can put your name, like Mama Mary, she put her name and the heart. And it's only $10.
Yeah, yun nga.
But the
See?
first is 37.
Ito
It
ang
was
pinakamahal.
from-
This is the very expensive one. How
Yeah.
much? 50,
37.
37.
She paid like $48.
No, she paid 48 because the name is 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10.
That's the most expensive.
See?
You know why?
You can even see her
no
name.
discount.
Mary Hero, Mary Itch. Yeah, even in my camera, it shows her name. But poor girl over there in the corner, she don't have one.
I don't have one.
So we need to go back tomorrow. She gonna buy 10.
I'm gonna go back to pick up my Balenciaga. And I'm
Yes.
going to get my Kipling.
Yeah. She gonna buy 3 Balenciagas.
One for us.
Yeah, with an S, not with an S.
Yeah.
Balenciagas.
Balenciagas, there are
3 Balenciagas.
Tingnan mo ang mga.
Nice. Congratulations, Mama Mary. Nice buy.
Thank you.
Palm Spring by Walmart. Let's go swimming with Mama Mary. Yeah. Look at, they have a fish. They're so sexy. And we're going to the hot tub. Say hi, ladies. The sexy ladies. Look at. Ay, makita ko.
Mismo ito taboy.
Yesterday we did 11 miles and today we did 4 miles. So,
More pa yung 4 miles.
at the mall. Lagay mo lang dyan, girl.
Oh yan, it's better na.
Yes, swimming look at my hair. Say hi to my camera. Ito bro, dito ka. Camera. Oh, my butt.
Oh,
My butt is tickling. My butt. Yeah, ang laki naman. That's nice. See, I can survive here. This is only 3.5 feet.
Oh my God.
So nice. Yeah. Ang galing naman. Sana all. Yeah. Pwede ka ng pang-Olympics. Aha. Bubbles. Look at the bubbles.
Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
On the back, ha?
Oh.